Welcome to the Spirit of St. Louis Airport, located in Chesterfield, Missouri, where the 2014 St. Louis Air Show took place May 3rd and 4th. And although everyone loves the Blue Angels, seen now flying high in the sky, they're not necessarily everyone's favorite. I spoke with Kris Boyd visiting from Edwardsville, Illinois.
Have you seen many of the old planes? Which one might be your favorite at about this time?
That we'd like to give.
The P-40s are my favorite.
The
John
P-51s.
It's the older World War II style planes. I just love airplanes that would fly in.
And there were a lot of airplanes to see doing all sorts of acrobatic stunts. But like any good day spent with over 100,000 of your neighbors, the fun must eventually end. I hope you enjoyed this show. I am Bradley Tolpin.